In this video, I'll show you how to move cards in the Gamma app quickly and easily. If you're building a presentation in Gamma and want to rearrange your content, this is one of the simplest things you can do, but it makes a huge difference in how your final deck flows. Whether you're organizing ideas, fixing the order of sections, or just cleaning up your presentation, knowing how to move cards will save you time and help you work much more efficiently. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma presentation and make sure you're on the deck you want to edit. Once it loads, look through your cards and find the one you want to move. Gamma layouts are card-based, so each section of your presentation is arranged as a card, which makes reordering really straightforward once you know where to look. Now move your mouse over the card you want to reposition. As you hover over it, Gamma will reveal the card handle or the card controls. This is the part you'll use to drag the card to a new location. Depending on your layout, you may see a small handle on the side or controls that appear when the card is selected. That handle is important because it lets you grab the card without editing the content inside it. Once you see the handle, click and hold it, then drag the card up or down to the position where you want it to go. As you move it, Gamma will show you where the card will land, so you can place it between other cards in the correct order. Take your time here and make sure it's going exactly where you want it. This is especially useful if you're reordering an introduction, moving a key point higher, or shifting a conclusion to the end. When the card reaches the correct spot, release your mouse button to drop it into place. Gamma will automatically update the card order inside your presentation, so you don't need to manually cut and paste anything. That's one of the best things about working in Gamma, because it keeps the editing process fast and clean. If you want to move more cards, just repeat the same process. Hover over the card, grab the handle, drag it to the new position, and release. You can use this method to reorganize an entire presentation in just a few minutes. It's a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes a really powerful way to build better presentations. And that's it. You've now learned how to move cards in Gamma app. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.